We're here in the lobby of Collegetown Plaza, and we're going to see apartment 4J, which is a studio apartment on the lobby level. I wanted to start in the lobby so you could see the position of the apartment on the floor within the building. We'll come around through the lobby and we'll walk past apartment 4K, which is here on our right. Here's the elevator on our left. You can see over here we have this room with the window is the fitness room. So that's across the hall from the apartment. And that's going down the hallway. And then here is apartment 4J. Let's go on in. So I wanted you to see where it's located on the floor because we are right off that main lobby. But we have another important feature here within this apartment that you can see. And let's go on through. You can see the kitchen. That's the same as we have in our other studio apartments. We've got the cupboards and drawers and the refrigerator. Here's the microwave. There's the stove and oven and the sink. Let's look across from the kitchen and see that bathroom, which, as you know, will always be the same here in Collegetown Plaza in these studios. So we have that full-size tub shower with a sliding door. We have that vanity and the toilet and the medicine cabinet over on our right. Now, the feature that's different here than the other studios, these apartments 4J, K, and L will all have this sliding door that has been added. That's going to provide you with a noise or sound barrier from the hallway area. So if you're worried about noise from the lobby, we have that nice sliding door. The rest of the apartment will be the same. Let's go on in. So we have entered from the lobby level on the Dryden Road side of the building, but we are above ground level because we're on the west side of the building for this studio. So you can see we are higher up. You can see down below, there's the part of the driveway that goes down behind Collegetown Plaza. The furnishings in these studio apartments will always be that full-size bed, a nice tall bookshelf. There's the closet. Let's go in the closet. This is a J-line apartment. These are right in the middle of the set of studios on every floor, HIJKL. You can see we've got a hook in this one and a double rack and some space in there. Let's take a look at the rest of the furnishings. You've got that desk and chair, a dining table and chair, and that dresser. There's an air conditioner in the window, that window on the left, and the other window does open. It's a nice large window, so it's nice and bright in here. Again, we're facing west. Let's take a look at the rest of the apartment again. The way they have the furniture laid out in here, I think definitely gives you a great amount of floor space to work with here in the apartment. Let's go shut that door again so we can see. So again, this is a sliding door that's just in a couple of apartments that are right off the lobby that will help provide a noise barrier. So that's a unique extra feature here in this apartment. We're in apartment 4J at Collegetown Plaza. We're located at 111 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown, and we're just one block from campus.